Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Well, it's not just cartoons, it's teaching you how to draw and being creative. And that's the class again for today is this stylized tree. This is the second one that I have. So what I want you to learn from this one is very similar to the first one I shared. Make sure you create your style. You could copy this very tree or you could customize this very tree, and that would be both a challenge I would like to do. So what can you learn from this lesson? Always and always and always. Step 1, step 2, step 3. The first step is very sketchy, building up the blocks. The second one, getting a little tighter. And then the third, what of course? Finishing it up and making it tighter so that you can actually see what it finally looks like. Through all those stages, you can make custom changes whenever you want to. So that's the key thing of sketching and why my video lessons are different than a lot of others that you may see online. And I want to emphasize, I'm a professional. I worked with Disney, Warner Brothers, and Marvel, and a slew of other companies. So take it from a pro like myself. This is a proper way of learning. So if you have your paper and pencil, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.